Hey, subscribers and users, I'm back with you again. So, I have received two 5-speed gearboxes which are going to be converted to a right side shift. If you see this cover, which has already been converted, and unfortunately, because of the turner's mistake, the threading has already been worn out and the piece is damaged, but still, that can be taken care. Uh, So this gearbox is of 2008 model Electra, 5-speed Electra, and this is from the 2006 AVL, which is a 500cc AVL. So now I have received an order for converting, I mean like switch, making a kit for ready to go plug and play unit. So along with this, what I'm planning to do is I will convert the shaft to the shifter, and I will have to make two extra plugs to close the clutch cover holes, one for the inside and the other one for the outside, so that I will do it once the pieces are ready. I will club this video and with the finished product video, and then I'll upload that video once again. So these are the two things in the pipeline right now, and as you that I am also simultaneously working on this 535 kit, which is already left here. I am sorry, I was busy with the events which were already been scheduled for a long ago, and so sorry for the delay of the videos whichever is getting uploaded. I'm not so regularly uploading the videos, but once my commitments are done with the events for this quarter, I will definitely start uploading videos rapidly. And I've received so many requests from the users to uh, you know add on the weight, do a weighing scale video for the cranks, and just by the way, I'm also planning to work out on a crank, which I'm just yet to meet the gentleman and place the order for making a crank, heavy weight crank for maybe 500cc, which could be approximately about 18 to 19 kgs. Let's see how it works. And in the making of crank, I will upload that also. And I have few videos from the past which I wanted to upload. I will definitely do that. And that's it. This is another kit which is getting recorded. So the previous braking engine videos are still here, which I need to convert. And once these things are done, I will definitely be able to do it. Coming back to the gearbox, I would appreciate if more people would come up with the queries and send me their engines and gearboxes to convert or do some kind of a change in the major changes in the mm, overall in the engines. I'll be more than happy to help them out. And please do subscribe and do like the videos and share it as much as possible. Thank you. I appreciate your support.